Malia, here are the chickens eating your Chinese food. Here's some of them. Show you how. Watch out, Meanie. Show you how happy they are. Get out of the way now. See, they sucked up the noodles. Yeah. Good stuff. Don't tell them they're eating chicken. Do you see her? Gracie, come do that again. Gracie, go get a noodle. She just slurps it right down. Oh, don't tell them what they're eating. They love it, Malia. Thank you. Get a noodle, Gracie. Good girl. You can tell she's my favorite. Alright. Of course, here's Murphy. Murphy doesn't care. Hey, Murph. Okay. So once again, thank you, Maria. Thank you very much. Murph. They love it. Thank you.